Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created my very own Fenty Beauty Body Lava dupe. I'm going to be showing you how I created this and we're going to be testing it out as well. Now, just a little disclaimer before we get started, I have not actually tried the Fenty Beauty Body Lava to fully compare this. But what I have done is I've looked online at photos, videos of people using the Body Lava so we can have a rough guess as to whether or not this will create the same effects that the Body Lava creates. Now, in Harvey Nichols in the UK, the Body Lava Body Luminizer sells for £46. Now that is absolutely insane. I think that's an awful lot of money to spend on basically a body luminizer. So that is why I thought there must be an easier way of doing this. So here is me creating my very own body luminizer. So to start off with, I just got a clear pump bottle, but you can also get a clear bottle with a mister as well if you would prefer to. This is the bottle that I chose. Now to that bottle we're going to add a body oil. Now you can add any type of body oil that you want to. I personally love this Skin So Soft tissue oil from Avon. I really love how this makes my skin look and feel, so this is my favourite, so that is why I've chosen it. But you can use any sort of like Johnson's baby oil or any sort of body oil that you would prefer. So you can see from the video how much I'm adding to the bottle, and that is the first step complete. Now to this oil, to reduce transfer of the product to your clothing, we're going to add a slight hint of glycerine. Now this you can pick up in any sort of food department, any sort of baking department in your grocery store, and that is where I found this one. And we're just going to add a little dribble of this just to stop any of the product transferring onto our clothes. Now to this concoction we're going to be adding the Pearl Lights Loose Highlighter from Revolution. This is in the shade Peach Champagne. I'm just going to tap some out onto a bit of cardboard and then I'm going to fold it into the bottle and give it a good shake. Now for this you can of course use any loose highlighter that you like. You can also use a pressed powder highlighter, but you'll have to sort of scrape it out of the compact first. And then we'll just give it a nice mix up and a nice shake, and you can already see that this looks divine. Now I am so excited to test this out. So I've got my little concoction, I've got a brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pump it onto the brush and then we're just going to work it into our body. This is what my chest looks like without it, and we're just going to see how we can transform my chest into a work of art. Oh, my head's so good. This smells so good. Now please, just a quick one guys, please remember that if you are adding any sort of oil to your skin before you go outside, please make sure that you've got an SPF on underneath first. Now we're just going to let the oil sink in a little bit. Now if we look at this picture of Rihanna wearing the body luminizer, the Body Lava, you'll see that it gives her skin such a gorgeous glow. Now I know obviously the body luminizer is a lot more golden than the one that I've created, and that is because I used a peach champagne kind of highlighter in my body luminizer, but I am obsessed with this. The oil has sunk in now and it's literally just left such a gorgeous highlight on my chest. Like, I'm obsessed. I think I might have used a tad too much, I'm not gonna lie. This is a bit over the top for me personally. I think I may have gone slightly overboard with the highlighter for myself, but I really love it. I love how it just looks so like, it just looks so glowy, and I really love that. It's been on for about 6-7 minutes now, and yeah, I just really love how it's looking, especially when I'm like pointing towards the sun. And it looks really pretty, and yeah, I would definitely say that this worked. I'm obsessed with the results, and I seriously didn't think that it would be possible, but I love this. This is so cool. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope that you liked it, and if you did, please remember to smash that thumbs up button and smash that subscribe button, because I do upload every single week. And let me know what you thought in the comments down below. As always, I love you guys and I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.